What's up guys? Today we'll be experimenting with Alpine Linux on a diskless computer. This idea started because my laptop's SATA port somehow broke and I had to plug the SSD via a USB adapter. Obviously I sometimes need that adapter for something else, so it can't be plugged in 24/7. Before we begin discussing what makes the Alpine Linux suitable for this kind of stuff, I want to inform you that this video is not a strict tutorial. It is rather a showcase of Alpine's flexibility or just a fun experiment to tell if it's really worth doing. Meet today's host, the old Lenovo G510 with an i3 4000M and only 4 GB of RAM. Now, the best solution was of course a lightweight operating system. We obviously could flash any other Linux distro on a USB stick and run it off or load it into RAM, but that's not the point. We are building a truly diskless server. Alpine Linux gives you so many options already on their website. Why did we choose that and not Debian, for example? The main reason could be that it's lightweight. It uses Muscle, libc and BusyBox instead of the GNU ones. That gives you the advantage of a very small size, which is a solid reason, but it's not the main reason we are setting up this server on Alpine. The netboot image and mini-root file system are what we really want. The mini-root FS is why we will be booting via PXE. With that, you can create your own system image just like the netboot one, but you choose the kernel, the init system and so on. And why can't we do the same with the standard netboot image? Well, you probably could do a custom kernel, but if you wanted a custom init system, you would need to unpack the initram.fs, delete the existing init system and repack it. Those are extra unnecessary steps. With mini-root.fs, you just put in the missing pieces, avoiding bloat and saving space for RAM. Okay, when we have the system ready, we could just flash it on a USB stick, right? Well, you could obviously do that, but PXE boot gives you the advantage that you can change the configuration on the fly. You don't have to reflash, degrade the USB and physically plug and unplug the flash drive all the time, which would get tiresome and irritating. With PXE, you just reboot the computer and it boots up again over the network with the new config. Okay, so now we'll be booting the Alpine Linux on the Lenovo. To make this work, we need a separate machine on our network to act as the PXE server. I will not explain how to do the PXE server part because this is a fun experiment, not a tutorial as I said. And there are also a lot of tutorials on the internet how to do the PXE server, or just ask a general AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, we're in the Lenovo G510. I have done nothing besides installing OpenSSH so I can connect to the computer. Okay, the first server I'm gonna set up is the vanilla Minecraft, but before that we should install Bitup to have a look at our resources. So apk add Bitup, no such package. Oh yeah, we have to enable the community repo. So there's no Vim, right? Yeah, but there's V. Yeah, VI. Okay, VI etc repositories. We got etc apk. Oh yeah, VI etc apk repositories or community ones. So like that, we go to main and the community. Now we have to apk update. Now we're gonna install the Bitup package, Bitup. 0.88 watts. Nice, that's crazy. That's crazy. And the RAM usage used 551 megabytes. It's still impressive that the operating system weighs only that amount, 551 megabytes. But enough of the Bitup. Now we're gonna do the Minecraft stuff. So let me grab the link to download the Minecraft server. Now we grab the link from Microslop. We download the server. We should probably make a directory like Minecraft server, or just rename it to be more readable. Like, oh shit. What have I done? We should do it like that. Yep, now it works. So we move the server.jar to Minecraft server. And now we need OpenJDK. So apk search. We're gonna search for the version because I don't know what's the latest one. OpenJDK 25, it looks like, yeah, 25. So APK add OpenJDK 25. Oh, it's done. 363 megabytes and 73 packages. Okay, that's probably fine. We're running at 960 megs. Okay, that's a lot actually for Alpine Linux, but it's running on RAM, so that's okay. Okay, so now we should grab the command for setting the server or just creating a bash file. So start.sh bin sh. Now we grab the command. So this is the command that they provide on the site, Minecraft site. I don't know why they call it Minecraft server, the version, when you literally download the file that's named server.jar, but however. And we also should change the RAM limit to XMX or XMS was the limit, I don't know, but we changed the 2 to be sure. Okay, so now chmod plus x.sh, and we starting the server. Did not find UDEF library in operating system. I think that is some systemd related thingy. Now we have to accept the license. True. And also server.properties false. Yep. Now we can start the server. Boom. Done. 11 seconds. Yeah, the RAM file system is it is just fast. Okay, so we're in Minecraft 26.2 at server, and the port is the standard one, so we don't have to type that out. Yes, Minecraft server 20 people, 4 milliseconds ping, and we're joining the world. Let's see. Okay, and we move in, guys. The chunks are rendering. And the FOV is 90, it's good. Oh, turtle, hello. Damn, it's rendering. Like, damn, crazy. A village. Let's break our first wood and see if it's reverting. Yeah, it is. The first wood break on the Minecraft server. It's very common to do that on the not so fast machines. Wait, I should probably show you guys the BTOP window. So we're shutting down the server because we need to install apk add screen, so we can run BTOP and the Minecraft server at the same time. It's 0%. Oh, oh no, TNS. Damn, again. DNS broke in my home network like what? Yesterday? 3 errors. Can we ping something? Like, we can, but DNS, what we should ping duckduckgo.com. The repositories are down? Really? Nah. What's going on here? Okay, that was weird. That was weird. So screen as MC. So now start sh. We can quit that. And now BTOP. Okay, so now I'm back into the server. You have a BTOP view. Okay, so let's explore the village. I think we should build a boat to render chunks way more fast. Give me the crafting table right here, and the boat was like that. Yep. Hopefully this river has no end. Yeah, there is literally no problem rendering those chunks. Like, it's rendering smoothly. I think they updated the visual thingy that they now don't just appear, they just smoothly appear, you know what I mean, like sort of animation, they smoothly appear. Yep, that there's definitely animation. I didn't play the Minecraft 26.2 version, like it's kind of new to me. What's this? Oh, it's just a normal mountain. Yep, it's rendering the chunks fine. Yep, the Minecraft server works. Probably it will handle 2 people no problem, even on the vanilla engine. So now let's just test something else. Alright, so the Minecraft server is running smoothly, chunks are loading instantly because of the run speed, but we have one massive problem right now. Since this entire system lives in volatile memory, the moment I turn off this laptop, or if my power goes out, our entire Minecraft world is literally gone forever. So now let's get back to the Alpine and fix that. We're gonna install FTP server. We obviously could download the word through SCP utility, but FTP is gonna be way more comfortable. So as usual, let's download the package vsftpd. In this case, let's vi etc vsftpd vsftpd.conf. We're gonna do local enable yes and write enable if we want to send some files to the Alpine. Okay, so now service, I think, yeah, it is called a service in OpenRC service vsftpd start. Oh, networking failed to start. Cannot start as vsftpd as networking could not start. Again, problems with network. Damn. What? It's kind of confusing what is going on here. Wait, could not parse etc network interfaces. Okay, so ls etc network. There's no interfaces file, right? It said start and yep, etc network interfaces. Is there a man interfaces or some? Oh, there's no man. It's Alpine Linux, right? Okay, so I found the config on the internet. ETH0. So we probably have to change it ourselves. So vi etc network interfaces ETH0. So yep, that's correct. WQ. Now let's see. Now let's connect to the server. Okay, so I'm using FileZilla client to connect to the FTP. So we type now 10.10.10.120. The username is root for now. And the password I set my own. Quick connect. Oh, critical error. Could not connect to the server. Oops, child died. What the Okay, I found a fix that should fix this. It is this command seccomp underscore sandbox equals no. Right quit. And we gonna restart the vsftpd. Okay, so now let's test this. Quick connect. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Boom. Let's go. We are in our Alpine. And as you can see, we can download the world file. I mean the world directory. Download. Yep, it downloaded fine in my root directory, but yeah, it works. It works fine. So that's all for today's video. If you want me to record an actual tutorial, just let me know in the comments. Next time we can save the config and boot a system that's already fully configured. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.